welcome to the Nike factory store. And look at this one, it looks like a classic colorway, a classic shoe, $59.97. Not bad for the price on this one. Wow, it's light. What do you think on this one? Oopsie. Alright. Oh, it looks like a B grade. As you can see on the box, it's written right there. But this is the Airflight 89 LE. That's look like a B grade. Alright, Nike Air Zoom type. They're not really high discounted, but they are $79.99. I like this one, and I got one of this. Another Nike Air Zoom type SE. This one is much more better colorway. I like it with the 3M on the back. $99.99. No additional discount though. Nike Avalon Low. I like this one. Triple colorway, nice and clean. $49.99. Very cheap though. Alright, what's next? What we could find here? Some Lebrons, KDs, and this Lebron $149.99. There's been sitting here forever with this colorway and the leg, another bright colorway, and this KD trace $69.99 with that kind of platinum each colorway. Alright, we got the PG $59.97 with the Kentucky colorway. Ooh, nice. Very cheap though. What do you think? We got the PG4. Wow. What is that price? $69.97 though. No additional discount. What do you think? The price. And we got the Kyrie 6 AI $69.97. Look at that. Wow, if they had additional discount, it should be good price, but they don't have 30% off. And we got something here. We got some Jordan 1 mid colorway with that purple. Looks like they restocked this one. Usually they had the 11.5, and we are in the clearance war, hash war. No additional discount today. So this one is the women's Air Force One LX. I like the color, but this one's good. Should be good for resale. But looks like it has been worn. Yeah, it's been worn. So it's not a dead stock. But the price not bad, $79.97. We got some SB down here. The SB Zoom Janoski, not bad. Camparon black and white. Alright, so we found something hot, steaming heat down here. Alright, we got the Carmines. Alright, they are on resale. So every outlet has been popping on this one because these are the B grades. And as you can see down here, pop that open, there is pinkish on the midsole right there. So that's why they are in the outlet, and they are selling for retail $200. So I'm picking that up anyway. So there we go, we're done here, and these are what we got on the Nike factory store.